In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Moomoo Trading Password. If you've been searching for a way to look up your Moomoo Trading Password, here's the key point right away. For security reasons, you can't view it anywhere. The trading password is something you created yourself when you opened your account, and it's designed to protect your trades and transactions. It's usually a 6-digit PIN or a custom password, and it's different from your regular login. While you can't see the old one, you can easily reset it if you've forgotten it, and I'll walk you through how to do that in the app. Start by opening the Moomoo app and signing in to your account. Once you're in, go to the Me tab, then tap the gear icon to open settings. From there, choose Trade. Inside the Trade section, look for the option labeled Change or Reset Trading Password and tap it. The app will guide you through a quick verification process to confirm it's really you. In most cases, that means verifying through the phone number or email linked to your account. Make sure you have access to whichever contact method you've set up, because you'll likely receive a code you need to enter. After you've verified your identity, you'll be prompted to create a new trading password. Follow any on-screen requirements you see. Pick something memorable to you but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious choices like birthdays or repeating numbers, and don't reuse your regular account login. Confirm the new password when asked, and you're all set. From that point on, your new trading password will be used to authorize trades, withdrawals, and other sensitive actions in your account. The next time you place an order or initiate a transaction, the app will prompt you for it, just like before. A couple of important reminders to keep in mind. You cannot view your previous trading password anywhere, and that's by design to protect your account. The only option is to change or reset it. And if you run into any trouble at any point in the reset process, reach out to Moomoo's support team. The quickest route is the live chat inside the app, or you can use the official support email listed in the app or on their website for your region. They can verify your account and help get you back on track. That's it. Resetting your trading password in the Moomoo app is straightforward, secure, and takes just a few minutes. Follow those steps, and you'll be ready to trade with confidence again.